look at this car behind us trying to speed. Look. Look. What you speeding for? We at a red light. This is sad. That's why I be saying all on the butt. All on the butt.
We are family.
What's good, Beane gang? It's your girl Crystal, and y'all know I am back once again, guys, with another freaking video. If you guys are new to the Beane gang channel, go ahead, hit that subscribe button. Go ahead, hit the subscribe button right now. I'm waiting. No, just saying. Go ahead, hit the subscribe button, press that like, and don't forget, y'all, we do comment of the day. If you want your comment to be posted on our videos, go ahead and leave a comment down below. So you guys, your girl had to leave work early.
Oh, hell no!
And as usual, my driver came and got me, y'all. Alright, y'all. So I had to leave early because it is nasty out here, y'all. When I tell y'all it's nasty, it's nasty. Okay. What you doing? Oh. Y'all, he in here doing some stuff that he don't even know what he be doing, but he just be doing stuff. Y'all, it's so nasty out here. I'm finna show y'all what's going on outside. Y'all look. Y'all look at this. Babe, now why you let that in here? Y'all, he didn't let everything in here. But look, y'all, the wind is blowing like crazy. It's like cold. It's freezing. It's not even cold. It's freezing outside, y'all. And these cars out here do not know how to drive, you guys. Look at all that. Alright, where's my window was? Y'all, when I tell y'all it is freezing out here, it's so cold. How was your trip getting here back?
Bad.
It was a car. He said it was a car. It was a car that had slid into the ditch or something like that.
We gonna see it.
Oh, it's still there?
That car ain't getting there. No time to get it.
Unless they call them people.
They ain't gonna be able to get it. That car is like in there. They gonna have to bring somebody.
It's all the way inside.
Man, it slipped over the hump and went in there a little more. I think that's a little pond over there.
Ooh. Y'all, I know y'all looking at me like, why you keep doing grip? My ear, I can't hear. And then my ear then put something in my ear. Nah, my ear ain't right. So y'all, your girl had to leave work. Your girl had to leave work early. I was not finna stay there. And I know he wasn't finna come get me. And he already got to drive slow as ever. Because the traffic. Because they scared. Oh my God. Yeah. And then these people out here driving like they're not driving. It's sad. What the heck? Y'all, it looks terrible. Look at this. Keep going.
I already know. I can't stop.
Y'all, it's terrible. If y'all out here in this weather, please be safe. Please don't be rushing. Because if you want to rush, you should have left yesterday. Because, baby, when I tell you. And then yesterday it was like 50 degrees. Yeah, it was 50 degrees yesterday. And all of a sudden, we got a little ice winter storm. Some winter frost storm. But y'all, we is on our way home. I I just had to go ahead and show y'all what's going on in Illinois right now. It's critical out here. I know some of y'all living a life with all the good sun and the good weather, but nah, we out here struggling, y'all. We out here in the cold. But I'm gonna turn this camera back on soon as we get to the destination that about the car that I think we're gonna see that Mr. Drip saw was in the ditch. So stay tuned, y'all. Y'all, look at this car behind us trying to speed. Look. You speeding for? We at a red light. This is sad. That's why I be saying all on the butt. All on the butt. This car be okay. Look at this car on the side, y'all. He on the side trying to get in.
Fast in the car next time.
Yeah, that car better not go fast because he right behind us.
Hey, slow down. I told that first hump. Look at this. You can't see nothing. Look at this. Wind blowing this way.
Terrible.
I just hope these motherfuckers please don't speed going over this hill.
Why he so close?
See, I knew he had Tacoma TRD. That's why he's getting.
Shit, they still can slide and stuff.
Yeah, we got 4x4. We still gonna slide. It don't matter what you got in this. Man, that shit get on my nerve. Hey, bro, what the fuck, man? Come on, man.
Y'all, he too fucking close. Whoever this is, they really in the road.
What the fuck is you doing, nigga? Sit your ass back. What the fuck wrong with you?
They doing too much. He right there.
They ain't going nowhere no time soon. He in there.
I'm sitting right here, babe. Ooh.
Look, in there.
Damn,
All the way in there.
how he get over there?
All the way in there.
Y'all, how did that car get right there?
You see, you gotta jump the hoop. He all the way in there.
Damn.
Told you.
Y'all be safe out here. Wherever y'all at in this storm, please be safe. We're trying to get to the crib now. Baby. Your girl. They can't even see me. Y'all can I can use this little one, can I? Hey, you think that's gonna do something? We dark skin. That little one. This the little one.
You know the bunk better than me, shit. I don't know if mother.
Y'all. We out here. We out here.
You know what? This weather's for people. You can drive through this, that means you can drive. Hey, look at it, that means you can drive. Oh my God, he ain't never trying to go around. Hey, bro.
Well, what you doing?
Car behind his truck. He was in this lane like he finna come over. You gotta pass all us up, buddy boys.
I'm finna
Go ahead.
say.
Look, they in a rush, boy.
Where y'all going?
behind that truck.
Oh, he behind. I see.
Yeah,
I think I see.
He keep peeking out over here, like you finna go ride this second lane. Yeah, man, take your time, man. Let the motherfucker drive slow, man. Look.
He peeping around again.
Yeah. He finna pull it.
Look at him. He trying to get.
What's wrong with people, man?
This car really trying to get over. That car still driving. Yeah. Why you got your hazard on?
Or scared.
Yeah.
That's what old people do when they scared. They put their eyes on. Yeah, she's scared.
Don't hit me, please.
Yeah, speed now.
Look at him.
Trying to get through that crap over there. Look at that. She up.
Heck no.
Man, she got that warm dookie on.
You said she got that what?
Warm dookie on.
Leave your baby alone.
They gonna cut y'all back on when we get to the crib.
Yeah, because it's critical out here, y'all. Oh my God, look at all this snow.
Oh my God.
By my door, y'all. Look at this.
And you said, and your mom, you said, finally all the snow gone.
Move. Oh, y'all, we just got home, y'all. Y'all saw all that snow by this front door. Yeah, so much snow, y'all. So much snow.
Mom, I thought Baby Chrissy was going. I was looking all around the house.
Yeah. Y'all see my baby, her curls flipping. My baby hella cute. You just gotta work on this back.
I did by myself.
I know, but you gotta work on this back though. You gotta make sure you gotta grease your hair. You gotta grease your hair. You gotta stay greased. You gotta stay greased up.
In the crib.
We in the crib. We in the crib.
I mean house.
Put my coat up. Put my coat up. Put my coat up.
Eating all that. All that. You just woke up, you want some candy?
Y'all, I'm finna show y'all what your girl done picked up. I don't know if y'all knew, but this is new to me. So,
What's this?
wait.
That's protein drink.
No, that ain't protein.
What was this?
That's all I'm finna say.
Ooh.
Bam! Putting y'all on some watermelon.
You should have bought
I had to get this. I want to test it out, see how it smell. So your girl got that.
Why you can't buy real watermelon?
And I got this to put in my shakes. My protein shakes, y'all. Your girl trying to, get it in. I got the mixed berry. What you doing? What you doing? And I got the strawberry and banana.
You want some more?
Yep.
Girl, why you looking like that? You want some more? Just say
What else? What else did we get? What?
Dang, grab all that.
And we finna cook some Salisbury steak.
Salisbury steak.
Yes, we is. Period. We about to cook up some mashed potatoes and probably some string beans or some corn. What?
Mom, some broccoli.
No.
Why?
They don't go together, right? Come on, throw these away. Don't judge us. We over here eating, period. Ain't nobody finna. It's too cold. Your girl just got home from work. I ain't trying to be all whippity dippity dippity do. Put it together. While y'all over there eating noodles, we eating Salisbury steak. I'm just playing, y'all.
I just had some noodles.
While y'all over there eating them little hot dogs, we eat some Salisbury steak. Period.
Calvin just had hot dogs.
We ain't even got no hot dogs.
Yes, we do. Look at this. We have hot dogs.
Oh, them Polishes, them Christmas. So y'all, we finna go ahead and end this vlog, you guys. Long time getting here. It took us an hour to get here. It took us an hour to get home.
An hour and 59 minutes.
So let's go see what Mr. Drip got going on.
Oh, you should not.
It's like you ugly. Alright, you guys, we're finna go ahead and end this vlog. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys like, comment, and subscribe to the Beane Gang, because y'all know we lit over here. And don't forget to leave a comment down below, because we also do comment of the day. If you want your comments to be posted on our videos, go ahead and leave a comment down below. So that being said, it's your girl Crystal signing out. Peace.